Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get emojis anywhere in Windows 10. So there are two shortcut keys that I know. First one is Windows logo key plus dot, and another one is Windows logo key plus semicolon. Whichever you like you can pick up. So let me just show you here. This one, Windows logo key plus dot, then you get the emojis. Then another one, let me show you here, Windows logo key plus semicolon, some say semicolon as well, then you get the emojis. Now let me show you to put somewhere here. So I've already done it. So now let me show you again. Windows logo key plus semicolon, then you get it, then you can pick whatever you want. Again, now let me do it. Windows logo key plus dot, then still you get it, so you can choose it. Now let me close this and let me show you another maybe the word. Then let's see how it works here. Windows logo key plus semicolon, then it works here as well. And then Windows logo key plus dot, still you get it, so you can pick it up. And now let me show you for let's say you want to type here, you can still do it. Windows logo key plus semicolon, then you can still use it here. So wherever you want, you can use it. Now the last way that I know to get emoji is make a right click on the taskbar over here and then click on show touch keyboard button, and then it will be here on the taskbar. So let me check. Now you see here the smiley sign, click on it and then you get the emoji sign. So let me just pick my favorite, then you can pick yours too. So it is pretty easy and simple, so go ahead and use it to your favorite story, writing, or any note, whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.